In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can find your IPS website. Now, when you get your login details from IPS after you've completed all the registration steps, and I'm referring to those who have had an account previously, and even the new clients, when you fill out the form, you're going to get an email. You're going to say it's pending, and then you're going to get an email from IPS with your login details. So when you get the login details and you log in, this is the dashboard. What you want to do is plug in, watch the videos. If you watch the videos, then you have fewer questions because the videos answer the questions that you have, okay? So step one is welcome, set up your system here. It gives you, when you click on it, it gives you the steps to follow, okay? It gives you the steps to follow. There's a video here, welcome to the team, set up your system here. You just need to watch this video. Click here to get added to the coaching group, the Facebook coaching group, and then click here if you want to be notified of trainings. Click here to be added to the proof group. So these are the steps you take when you log in. Step 2, get your website link, okay? And then you click get your website link here. It takes you to another page. This opens up. Set up your payment buttons. Click here to get to set up your payment methods, okay? And your payment method probably might be Stripe or PayPal or whatever it is. They have a few options here in the video. So you need to watch these videos and follow the steps. If you don't watch the videos, you don't know what to do. So here it says step 3 here says get your website link. I think that's very simple. And you click here where it says get your website link and it will open up to another page. It shows you some pages here. Want to make a primary page and want to make a redirect. I will say do not bother about this. Okay, don't confuse yourself. Do not bother about this. You want to go to your account, okay? And you want to go to settings. And you see this link here, this link, this is your website link. This is the link where you send people to. The reason you have this link and the way it says user is because this link it will track the people that click on it to you. That's how IPS knows that this person came from you. So that's why you have the user and you have the name when you are creating your account, the username here. Okay, so this is your link where it says settings. This is the link you give out to people. Okay, your profile, if you click on your profile, this is where you change your profile. You add your name, surname, phone number. You upload, you can upload your photograph here. You can add another photograph here, put your details there. This is a description that appears on the website page. You don't need to tamper with this. If you don't do it, not tamper with that section, just leave it as it is. If you need to change your password, you can change your password here. So I think the most important thing that you need is the link, right? This link. When you click on settings, this link, this is the most important thing you need. This is the link you give out to people. This is the link you add to your link tree on social media, because this is the link that hosts your website. And let me see, hold on, I'm just going to copy this link and show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the link, and this is the link you're going to give out, but this is your website, okay? And that's the photograph added, the name added, everything appears here. And it looks like the previous one. It's a slight change, but it's just similar to the previous one if you were in the IPS program. Who wants to sign up will just click on the product level that they want, and then they just sign up. Okay, I hope this video has helped and to clear some confusion. The most important thing is that you need to log into your dashboard. You need to log into your IPS dashboard. That's where you need to log in. If IPS has given you your login link, you need to log into your dashboard and you need to come to step number 2. That's where you need to come to. Okay.